What's up? It's Liam back with another video, and today we are going to be probably making the coolest slime ever. We are going to be making some OOBLEC. I don't know if you guys have heard about this, but all you need is some water, paint. Well, let me see how much that is. 1 cup of water, some paint, a spoon, a measuring cup, and a cup measuring cup, and some cornstarch. We have an extra bowl in case this doesn't work, so I'm just gonna get started after I take a drink. So first, what you're gonna wanna do is add in the paint to the mixture. See, I just added some paint. Then mix it up really slowly. You don't want it spilling. That's why I'm mixing it really slowly. Next, I'm going to be adding the cornstarch. You need 2 cups. So I'm just going to add in the cornstarch. We need the other bin. Like some slimes, this is messy. Well, Luke made a video. Go check it out. His is messy too. Mine's coming out before Luke's, so this is actually super messy. I'm gonna is this a cup? No. I'm gonna add in this first cup. Oh, it just made dust. Just fly everywhere. I wonder if you guys saw that. This is a new one, so I'm just gonna be really careful.
It's fine, just put it in.
Just a little. Okay. Wow, this is messy. Messier than. So as you guys can see, we got the cornstarch in the bowl. And next, I think we're supposed to add the water. As you can see, the paint and the water is formed in. Now I'm just going to mix it. You can see it's starting to get really thick. Super thick, actually. It's almost acting like slime. It's getting thick like slime. I'm gonna just add a bit more water, because it's a little. It's kind of hard. Mom's gonna help me. I didn't think it was gonna be this crazy. And there's something really cool with the OOBLEC that I'm going to show you. My mom might have to hold the camera towards the bowl though. Okay. This is actually really cool. Ooh, it's sticky. Whoa. So as you put it in your hands, it just falls like a liquid. And then put it on. But if you punch it, it acts like a solid. Really, really cool. Ugh. And it when you punch it, it goes around. It moves like a liquid, but it acts like a solid because it totally absorbs the punch. It's not like any normal slime. Ugh. It's super really cool though. I love it so much. Like my brother told me, I'm gonna try and stretch it. I can't because it just dissolves in my hands. It just turns into a liquid instantly. See, look at when I pick it up, it seems like slime. Just pick it up, and it just turns into liquid. This is my favorite slime. I think this would be more like traditional slime, other than like this stretchy slime. Whoa, it's just like dripping out of my hands. It's like I just, let me think. It's like I just jumped into a pool of jello slime. Whoa. Slime isn't usually this weird. Oh my gosh. OOBLEC is so cool. I'm gonna just sit and play with it for a bit. This is actually really cool. Now I'm gonna try and poke it. It's acting like a liquid. I didn't just push it right through it. It's hard to push it and then it sticks into my hand. It sounds like I'm literally punching a surface. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be a cleanup. This is awesome though. It just moves out of your bowl like it's a liquid. Even though it's like a liquid solid at the same time. Whoa. Yeah, so guys, thanks for watching me make OOBLEC. Hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, go down below and like. And also, if you don't want to miss any other videos, go down and subscribe and touch the red button and tap the bell icon to make sure you get notified whenever I make a new video. I make videos at least weekly, so every week expect 2, 3, or maybe even 4 videos coming out. You can also go check out my brother's channel, Luke's World. Also go and subscribe to him. But guys, I'll see you in the next video and peace out.